and today we're making a seafood barbecue on the Weber Kettle. Come on, let's get cooking. Step number one, we prepared this sea bass. Super easy. Parsley in the belly. And then some lemon. We add some salt, extra virgin olive oil on both fish, and now we massage it. Then we take the squid, super easy. Slice in the middle, and then sharp knife, scarring through. Flip. Just like that until you get to the zigzag, and we do them 4 of them. We're gonna cook them at 180 degrees Celsius so that it doesn't stick. Let's just make a little resting bed of lemon. Take one and take the other. We're gonna do 10 minutes and then we turn it. For the Mediterranean sauce, we use capers, olives, and of course you can cut by knife, but feeling a bit lazy today. Sun-dried tomato, parsley. Then we add some anchovies. We're taking Lecino extra virgin olive oil for this one. Just a good amount of extra virgin olive oil. And then we blitz it. Oh, nicely done. Thank you very much. And with 10 minutes to go, it's time to do the prawns, because the prawns take about 2-3 minutes per side. And then we serve them. Prawns, they go direct. Squid, 2 minutes per side. The one where we scoured first down. Into little strips. And on top, our Mediterranean sauce. We got the sea bass, we got the shrimps, and we got the squid. Everything is ready. Buon appetito!